Boys Cash and
Jerry.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make this nice, fluffy, tasty French toast with drinks. Oh, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Before we start the video, let's take a moment to remember all the fallen soldiers that have died protecting this wonderful country. To cook the French bread, you're going to need 2 eggs, 2 slices of white bread, and syrup. And you need oil to cook it. Get your pan, and then turn your heat to medium heat. And then once you turn the heat, get your oil and put it on the pan. Get a good amount so your bread does not stick to the pan.
First, you're gonna have to clean your egg, and then you're gonna crack it, and there should be no eggshells. And then you're gonna want to start whisking it. And you're gonna want to whisk it well. Next step, you're gonna want to pour your whisked eggs into a plate.
If you're doing 1 French toast, you use 1 egg. We're making 2 French toasts. We're using 2 eggs.
After you pour it, you're gonna want to put the bread on the egg and let it soak for 1 minute on each side.
You flip it with putting a fork or spoon under and then flipping it over. You've had your white bread soaked on both sides and you feel that your pan is hot. Be careful, do not touch your pan, it's hot. So by testing it, you get a little bit of the egg and you put it on the pan, and when it starts cooking, that's when you know your oil is ready. Alright, so you get your bread and then you get it and you place it softly on the pan so that nothing sprinkles up and hits you. For about a minute, minute and a half, you're going to flip your French toast. As you can see, it's a bit brownish. You don't want to overcook it. And let me just show you how to flip it. There we go. Flip French toast or put it on your plate. Remember to use a spatula. You have cooked both sides well for a minute, minute and a half. Put it on your plate. If you don't want so much grease, put it on a paper towel to take out the grease. Final steps to right before you eat it. You can put some powdered sugar if you want to. You have 2 beautifully cooked French toast. You can put some syrup. You can put some whipped cream, butter. If you want to put like strawberry, maybe Nutella, banana. Anything you would like to go with this nice, fluffy, tasty French toast. Alright, now I have time for the drinks. You can use pineapple juice, or if you want orange juice, some milk, and ginger soda, which we will be showing how to make it in the future. That's it for this video, so remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell.